Hi, we're filming here today from the Resideo booth at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm going to spend the next few minutes talking about the Works with Honeywell Home API Partner Program. Consumers buy connected locks, they buy connected lighting systems. We have to make sure that it's easy for that consumer to use those systems in one app, and we want that app to be the Resideo app. Partners like Schlage that make great connected locks, or even Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Microsoft Cortana, or the Google Assistant. All of these voice programs require integration. They do that integration through our Works with Honeywell Home Partner Program. Products from hundreds of companies are available. Whether they work together or don't work together is sometimes impossible to tell. Of our 3,000 partners that are part of this program, that assures the consumer that those products will work with Resideo solutions. Whether that is our app controlling those products or maybe the third-party app controlling our products, the Works with Honeywell Home provides a simplified solution to assure the consumer that these products will work together. So if you truly want to experience a connected home, come find us at Resideo and check out the Works with Honeywell Home program, where we can really unlock a simplified connected home.